Dear students, today we start a new question. Sin inverse 8 upon 17 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to cos inverse 36 upon 85. So firstly in this question, we let sin inverse 8 upon 17 is equal to x. We shift sin inverse in the right hand side, we get sin x equal to 8 by 17. Similarly, we again let sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to y. If we shift sin inverse in this side, we get sin y equal to 3 by 5. Before starting the question again, with the help of sin x, we can find the cos x. We have a formula of cos x under root 1 minus sin square x. If we put this value 8 upon 17 here, we get 1 minus 8 upon 17 whole square. If we solve it, we get 15 upon 17. Similarly, with the help of sin y, we again find the cos y. In the same manner, we have a formula cos y equal to 1 minus sin square y. If we put sin y 3 by 5 and calculate it, we get 4 upon 5. Now we have 4 values: sin x equal to 8 by 17, cos x equal to 15 by 17, sin y equal to 3 by 5, and cos y equal to 4 by 5. We have learned the formula of cos x plus y. In the 11th class, we have a formula cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So all these values which we have already find here, we just put in this. We get 15 upon 17 multiply 4 by 5 minus 8 upon 17 multiply 3 by 5. If we calculate it, we get 60 upon 85 minus 24 upon 85. And on solving, we get 36 upon 85. Now, if we shift the cos in the right hand side, we again get x plus y equal to cos inverse 36 upon 85. Now, put the value of x, which is sin inverse 8 upon 17 here, and put the value of y, we get sin inverse 3 by 5. And this is our right hand side. And this is the final we get, hence proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.